Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a global widget in Elementor. This is incredibly useful when you want to reuse the same design element across multiple pages, and any changes you make to it will automatically update everywhere it appears on your site. Let's start by heading to your WordPress website dashboard and logging in. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page where you want to create your widget. Click on Edit with Elementor to open up the page builder. This takes you into the Elementor editor where you'll have full control over your page design and all its elements. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, it's time to add and customize the widget you want to turn into a global element. This could be anything you frequently use, like a button, text editor, image, or any other widget that Elementor offers. Take your time here to style it exactly the way you want, adjusting colors, fonts, spacing, and any other design elements that match your brand. Remember, once this becomes a global widget, it'll maintain this exact styling across your entire site. After you've finished customizing your widget to perfection, the next step is simple. Right-click directly on that widget you just customized. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing your element. From this context menu, you'll see an option that says Save as a Global. This is the key feature that transforms your regular widget into a reusable global element. However, there's an important thing you need to know at this stage. To actually save a widget as global and access this powerful feature, you'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include the global widget functionality. So if you're serious about streamlining your design workflow and maintaining consistency across your website, investing in Elementor Pro is necessary. Once you have Pro, you can simply select that Save as a Global option and your widget will be ready to use anywhere on your site. And that's how you create a global widget in Elementor. This feature saves you tremendous time and ensures design consistency throughout your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.